How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy section, what you can do is you can just scroll down and tap on blocked accounts. And now here in this section, you'll see the list of all the peoples that you have blocked on TikTok. And now here in this section, you can just find that particular person that you want to unblock. And here, once you've found that, just beside that username, you'll see the unblock button. So just tap on it to unblock that particular person. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.